Weight loss surgery, is it worth the money? If you are interested in weight loss surgery, how much weight would you like to lose? If you are looking to lose 80 pounds or more in weight, did you know that you may be a candidate for weight loss surgery? Although it is nice to hear that you may be a candidate for weight loss surgery, you may be wondering if weight loss surgery is right for you. More importantly, you may be wondering if weight loss surgery is worth the money. If that is a question that you would like answered, you will want it. In short, the question as to whether or not weight loss surgery is worth the money has a simple answer: it all depends. While that may not have necessarily been the answer that you were looking for, it is the truth. For many individuals, weight loss surgery is well worth it. However, others don't end up benefiting from weight loss surgery. To determine if weight loss surgery is worth the cost to you, personally, you will want to consider several factors. One of the many factors that you will want to take into consideration when determining if weight loss surgery is worth the cost for you, is your weight. You will find that many weight loss surgeons require that you are at least 80 pounds overweight to undergo weight loss surgery. With that in mind, you may be able to find a surgeon who will make an exception, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you should opt for surgery. If you can try to lose weight on your own, through the use of exercise, eating healthy, or diet pills, you may find it more affordable to do so. Your health is another factor that you should take into consideration when trying to determine if weight loss surgery is right for you. Weight loss surgery is commonly referred to as a life-saving medical procedure. Those who are severely obese put their health at risk and may experience an early death. If you are severely obese, your physician may recommend weight loss surgery. If that is the case, weight loss surgery is more than worth the costs, as you cannot put a price tag on your health and well-being. Your ability to set goals and stay with them is another factor to consider when determining if weight loss surgery is worth the cost to you. Weight loss surgery may help you lose weight right away, but the surgery alone will not help you lose weight. With a reduced stomach pouch, which is how most weight loss surgeries work, you must limit the amount of food that you eat. If you do not do so, you may gain your weight back and possibly endanger your health. If you do not think that you can follow all of the instructions given to you, following a weight loss surgery may not be the best option for you. The above-mentioned factors are just a few of the many that can help you decide if weight loss surgery is right for you or if it is worth the cost. As a reminder, you must take the time to first consult with your doctor. Not all individuals are candidates for weight loss surgery.